Hi everybody. Today we're presenting you a national Italian dish with rice, made with rice. It's called risotto with peas. So we'll get started. I just set my camera so everybody can see what happens in the pot. So I'm just filming this first dish. Could be a vegetarian dish and even vegan dish. It's made only with peas. I'll use some freezed peas. That's baby very small piece, and some good rice. Yeah, you just need some good rice to make a good risotto. Okay, we'll get started. I'll show it to you how large is the rice. So we'll get started with some olive oil. I recommend you to use extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, the other camera could fall in the pot, so that was very funny because first I made some vegetable soup, so that was funny. Let's get started with extra virgin olive oil. I always use it in even for, I don't know, fries the onion, for example. I just will use a small red onion and a small piece of garlic. I'll just chop them fine. Okay, let's get started. That I just wanted to say that for making a risotto you need to fire up the pot, so maximum power, let's say. For a good rice we'll need some hot liquid. I prefer a vegetable soup. I'm presenting you the recipe. You could make it once a week and you could keep it in the fridge. You could even freeze some if you like. Okay, now we have to toast the rice. Okay, you have to pay attention as the rice has the cooking time its own. I'll just add 3 cups for making 3 portions. It's like 80 grams, 1 portion. By toasting the rice, I mean that it has to burn for 2 minutes, like so it gets some flavor. If we use the right pot, we're never stuck to it. Now we have to deglaze it with some white wine. And after the wine steamed away, we have to begin with adding some soup. Be patient, you have to add only 1 scoop at a time, not all that soup. One. You now can feel some flavors getting up from the pot, so should taste great, right? I just need to practice my English. I'm a little bit stressed, so I'm not searching for excuses, but it's the first video. I'm trying to translate. I just promise I'll practice and I'll study. So let's keep going. I just wanted to remind you that using a timer is very important in cooking. It's not the skills you need to do a great job. Timing is everything. So now a vegetarian doesn't need to add any cheese, Parmesan cheese or anything else. Just some more olive oil and that's it. If you like, you could add some parsley and some good black pepper. I think you like this recipe. That's very famous in Veneto. It's called Risi e Bisi. Enjoy it. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Push the like button. It would help me so much. Thank you.